Andrew Thompson's my name, from Thompson Brothers Earth Moving, for Victoria Balliang. We chose the TTi FloodRite Tank for its versatility to be able to slide in and out of the tip truck. And as far as the quickness and ease of operation, we also wanted to be able to not have a dedicated water truck as such. As I say, that versatility to have our tip truck when needed and a water cart. And this water cart fits the bill because of its versatility with the magnum sprays, centre, left and right. The pump has got the capacity to run all three at once, and of course that we use that for dust suppression, clay compaction, and of course the pressurised dribble bar for crushed rock placement, which has been fantastic and works really well for that. And yeah, overall it's been a fantastic unit. It's very easy to slide in and out of the tip truck safely and satisfactorily. Remote control feature is sort of wireless and no sort of pipes and wires, so it's been fantastic in that respect too, in that remote control. So I would thoroughly recommend the FloodRite to anybody.